Oftentimes, there are policies in place, like this one, that are hard to enforce without access control. SureFi makes installing access control to allow differentiated access simple and effective.
Recently, we just put in another bridge for the tennis courts to isolate them from the pool and the bathroom. That's all on access control, so they can access the tennis court at a separate time than the bathroom or the pool. They want it cut off at certain times of the day. Instead of running hundreds of feet of wire, we got this handy dandy thing, and it makes it real easy to transmit data from the controller to the accessories.